Do it again, turning it. Okay. Yeah, see, so do it again. Pretty much that's what I'm getting. Don't have the spark plugs hooked up because I'm just trying to get the starter to prime the motor. Everything's pretty much together. Anybody that can help figure it out. Otherwise, I don't know if it has something to do with. I did take off. Somebody had one of these stupid Bulldog remote starts. I didn't have the key fob, so I didn't take it out. It looks like a shitty mess in there because I'm fixing every fucking thing that's wrong. Like parts wise. But also, I'm getting power. To the starter. I'll show you what I mean. When I connect to the top one, I've got power. As you can see. So I'm getting, I want to say 12 volts. Marlene, turn that key. Now I'm connected to the small one. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. Now I am. Do it again. Alright, so anybody knows? Turn the key off. What could be causing a problem? Again, I'm clicking from a fuse here. There's my starter. I've also checked the fuses underneath the panel. I have no fucking clue, so hopefully somebody can figure this out and help me diagnose it and troubleshoot it. Thanks.